Mr. Speaker, this National Bureau of Statistics bill, I think it's a bill that we can welcome to Antigua and Barbuda. From the explanatory memorandum, Mr. Speaker, it's basically a harmonized legislation bringing our statistical legislation in line with CARICOM and other international treaties and obligations. But Mr. Speaker, to pass this legislation is one thing, because I can tell you it is a challenge for persons to get statistical data, not only in Antigua and Barbuda, Mr. Speaker, but throughout the Caribbean. And I'm happy to see that we're trying to move in ensuring that what we have in Antigua and Barbuda is on par to what is around the world. I believe it was about 2 years ago, Mr. Speaker, I was traveling and I was sitting in the airport in Miami, and I met three individuals. They said they were on the flight coming from Antigua, and they were doing some studies, and they were trying to get some information, but it was very difficult for them to obtain the data that they were looking for. And I believe, Mr. Speaker, from going through this bill, that this can help where persons are coming to Antigua and Barbuda to obtain or to do research, that they can have access to sound data that was properly collected, properly documented, and properly stored. And, Mr. Speaker, I hope that it is easily accessible. I believe it's necessary, Mr. Speaker, but also, Mr. Speaker, I would just like the mover of the bill to give some clarification on clause 10 of the explanatory memorandum, which states, this clause introduces a provision allowing for other property that can be used as source of funds to be vested in the Bureau. This addition will broaden the Bureau funding base, enhancing its financial sustainability and capacity to fulfill its expanded functions. Mr. Speaker, it's a little bit vague. I would like a little bit more detail as to what is the plan and how the government plan to do this. And yes, Mr. Speaker, so basically I am not here to object to this bill, because I think it's necessary and I think it can do wonders. It can also allow persons to make strategic decisions and also to plan according to data and not speculation. So, Mr. Speaker, if it pleases you.